what is bevel? Bevel is the slant over here, over the tool. Okay, in all the tools, if you see here, you will have that bevel. Can you see that slant? It's not square. It's not square. Either it will be rounded or it will be beveled. Very clear. Yes? Same ways here, if you can see. Can you see this slant? This is known as bevel. This slant. Now I'll show you the both. Just compare. How is this and how is this? Now just after watching it, you will come to know which one will be good for your tissue. You can definitely decide for yourself, isn't it? It goes without saying. Now, what is the role of bevel and how do we decide the bevel? Where to use, when to use? Okay. Now there are different bevels. There is single bevel, double bevel and rounded. There are 3 types of bevels. Single bevel, double bevel, round. This particular thing is clear, this thing, because it is very, very, very important. Because everything is dependent on the tool only. Okay? Right. So, when we talk about the bevel, single bevel is when you have slant on one side, but it is straight on the other side. That is known as single bevel. When it is slant on both the sides, okay, it is slant here also, it is slant here also, that is double bevel. Okay, and when it is rounded, that's rounded. So these are 3 types of bevel which are there in ISTM. Okay, now the problem is in India, people are making these type of tools because it's cheap. You will get it easily made. Okay, there is nothing to be done. They will just do the laser cutting and the tool is ready. Okay, so that's why they are selling it in like very, very cheap prices also. Okay, in 6,000-7,000, I think you are getting 5 tools. Okay, sometimes they will give you a briefcase in 8,000-9,000 and you will get that 5 tools in that, and it's very, very bad quality. If you weight them, you have to check the weight also. These are the properties of ISTM tool which you need to know, because if you don't know the properties of ISTM tool, you can't do ISTM, right? So the weight of the tool you have to check. If the weight is too much, then what will happen? When you are applying the force will be so much, which is not needed at all, because you are also putting the force with your hand when you are pushing the tool. And if the tool is so heavy, then the force which will be dissipated to the tissue will be higher. Okay, so that's why we shouldn't be getting the tool with a heavy weight. Okay, it should be always light. It's to be light. Okay, see this one. This is so big tool than this one, but still this one is lighter and this one is so heavy, right? Same here. Same here, right? Now, don't go for those briefcase tools, please. It will injure the skin and then patient says, "Mera pain बढ़ गया." Okay, after ISTM, I have seen many people saying that mera pain बढ़ गया, because they are not using good quality tool.